So let's make a tie-dye t-shirt. The first thing you want to do is cover your table. Then you want to prep your shirt. So I already made my shirt damp. So right now I'm just folding it in half and I'm going to do a heart design. So basically what you do is you take a washable marker and you go ahead and draw a heart on your t-shirt. I freehanded it because it's tie-dye, so it really doesn't matter if it's perfect or not. So the next thing you want to do is you want to gather your t-shirt. So basically you want to go along the heart and turn it into a straight line. So you're basically just scrunching the pieces together and making it into a straight line. So while you're doing this, you're going to be moving your shirt around a lot just to keep the line straight. So take your time on this part because this is going to determine the shape of your heart. So after you have your straight line, you want to go ahead and apply the rubber bands. So this one comes with rubber bands already, but you can apply as many rubber bands as you want. I applied 3. All right, so now it's time to make the dye. It comes with like a little scooper, a funnel, some tubes so you can apply it, and then you're going to make sure you have water and the powder that it comes with. So you want to open up your container and you want then open up your dye. I'm using 2 colors, but basically you just pull off the top part of it and then you go ahead and do a scoop. I am doing just 1 scoop for a lighter color. Then you want to pour the scoop in the bottle using the little funnel to make sure all of the powder gets in there, and then you want to fill it with water to the fill line and then mix it up. After that's done, you could go ahead and label your bottle so you can know which color you're using. And then you just go ahead and squeeze the bottle and apply the dye to the shirt. So I did the pink. I did like the alternating colors. So I did the pink and the red, the orange red. So after you do that to the front, you want to flip it over and do the same thing to the back of your t-shirt. And I just chose to do it the same exact way I did the front side. It's really up to you how you want to do it. So after that's done, you want to grab your shirt and you want to place it into the Ziploc bag that comes in the kit, and then you want to leave it in the bag for 24 hours. So come back tomorrow for part 2.